Hi, I'm Raven Cook, a museum educator at Crystal Bridges Museum of American Art, and this is a close-looking exercise in your My Museum kit. In this video, we will be exploring Ourlando by Jordan Casteel. Before we begin talking about this artwork, let's take a moment to let your eye wander all over the canvas. Look carefully from top to bottom and side to side, paying close attention to all the little details you see. Let's talk about what you see. What are some things you noticed when you first looked at Ourlando? Was it the colors? The suit the man is wearing? The background of this artwork? Very good. You have a great eye. This artwork is called a portrait, an artwork of a person showing their facial expression or body language. There are so many ways we can interpret this portrait. Portraits are used for many different purposes, such as to show who a person is and their personality. The artist Jordan Casteel is known for her use of colors and photographs to create portraits of people in her community. Casteel chooses her subjects or subject, then she takes photographs of them, upwards of 300 photos, and lastly chooses the best photos and paints on a canvas a likeness of the people she photographed. She wants to show how people live their everyday lives and show people for who they are by using as many examples as needed to recreate the subjects on a canvas. Jordan Casteel is an American painter from Denver, Colorado. Her portraits showcase African Americans in her community, living their daily lives, and captures their characters in her artwork. She aims to normalize artworks about Black people because many museums have not actively represented Black people in their galleries. As we continue to look at Ourlando, take a moment to focus on the colors in the painting. Count and name the colors you see. There are so many Casteel used. They work together to create an artwork that is full of life. Also, notice the colors that Casteel used for Ourlando's skin tone. She uses a blend of reds, pinks, and cream to highlight the tones. Who is this man? He looks to be a well-dressed gentleman, and he might be a model for the clothes that surround him. What is his name? Casteel named this portrait Ourlando, so we can call him Ourlando. This man in the portrait is his own person, but he is also a representative of the men that live in Casteel's neighborhood. What do you think he does for a living? Ourlando is the owner of the shop that he is standing in. These are some questions we can ask and answer. This is what Casteel wants you to do. She wants you to connect with the person or persons in the painting and get to know them. It is inspiring to see an artist use their community to shape their art making. You can create your own artwork using your community as you continue with your project today. Thank you for watching. Now, please go to the art making video that is related to Ourlando. Remember to keep in mind what you've learned here as you have fun making some interesting and wonderful art.